Hey guys, back again with another unboxing from the cubicle. Today I have a decent number of cubes, as you can see, a 1x1 and a mini 3x3, another RS3M 2020, because as usual they come in free when you have like orders over a certain price, and the actual exciting things, Angstrom MGC2 Elite, and Celeritas Tornado V3M. I think it is the flagship version. So yeah, let's first start with this. The greatest cube of all time. Oh my god, look at that. Look how fast its turning speed is. Like, man, can't believe I haven't gone to 1x1 for so long. And now I have completed my 1 to 7 collection, so that's cool. And then next, have this. I don't remember the name of this, but some sort of mini 3x3. So let's see how it turns. Oh, that's pretty rattly. Yeah, as expected, it's not the greatest turning quality, but it certainly looks cute. So yeah. Oh, I guess yeah, it's pretty cool. Then what is it? I think this is like my probably fourth RS3M. So yeah, I'm not gonna spend too long on this. Honestly, I've been more pleased with the Angstrom RS3M lately. So like, I guess I'm slightly starting to understand the hype around this cube, but like, still my fourth one, so probably don't have much to say unless it's significantly different feeling. Come on. Okay. Yeah. Pretty much like the other ones. Like this one's, I think, more sandier than usual. Like, it feels very dry. But honestly, the sound is really pleasing. And like, honestly, this might be my favorite out of the box RS3M. It's pretty fast and like has a swishy, sandy feel. It's pretty satisfying. But yeah, I don't really think I have too much to say other than that. So let's get into the two premium cubes. Starting with the Angstrom MGC2 Elite. This is actually my first 2x2 I've gotten since the Vault 2, which was quite a while ago, so it's pretty exciting. And I think this might, no, not my first, but like, this is one of the only premium 2x2s I've gotten, because I would kind of want to get more into it now that I've learned COLL. I kind of want to transition into learning full CLL, and like maybe getting the new awesome 2x2 will motivate me to learn. So, wow, feels pretty nice out of the box. Like, it's definitely pretty slow for now, but like turning is really smooth, and that's not ideal, but oh well. Like, the magnets have a really pretty strong click in this cube, but it's also like still pretty easy to turn, and then it's speeding up really quickly. It's honestly probably already better than my Vault 2. Like, wait, where is it? Here. Yeah, this is like, I mean, it's kind of, maybe not dead, but it's definitely pretty old. Maybe not even as fast as this one's not broken in. Like, it's also more like satisfying, has a more satisfying like bump when you turn it. So like, that's pretty good. And it's like, I'm not much of a 2x2 solver, so I'm not probably the best at describing it, but yeah, it's probably the best 2x2 I've ever felt, honestly, and it's not broken in, so it's pretty cool. Now it's time to get into the main event. This cube has been hyped up a lot, and I've tried it a bit at competitions. Haven't been that blown away, but with the Angstrom one, maybe. Not sure what this is supposed to be. Let's see. I guess it's just supposed to be used to wipe away the cube when it's like lubey. Okay. Got, oh, that's a cool card. And, whoa, that's a really weird feeling cube bag, but it's like cool too. It's like, I'm not sure how to describe that. It's definitely soft in a way, but it's also kind of rough at the same time, and like maybe coarse. Like the word that pops into my mind when I feel this is leather. I'm not sure if that's accurate, but yeah. And now time to get into the actual cube. Ooh, and it's in this nice box. Alrighty then. Yeah. Pretty standard, good shades. Let's just get into turning. That's pretty and this does not really feel like the tornado that I tried at a competition recently. I mean, obviously it's like not broken in, so like that's the reason, but I don't know, just this, can you hear that? The sound, really interesting. It's extremely soft, which honestly I wasn't expecting. Kind of expected to feel more like harsh in a way, but like in a good way. There's like almost no resistance, even like with the magnets. So it's pretty interesting. Yeah. It turns pretty well already. It's definitely not breaking as quickly as a 2x2 and still pretty slow, but yeah, I think I'm liking it so far, and probably get a lot better with breaking, so yeah. And that was my unboxing of the 1x1, the mini 3x3, RS3M, Angstrom MGC2 Elite, and Celeritas Tornado V3. As always, I'm going to have links to the puzzles in the description, and we'll definitely post some solves of these two and thoughts in the coming week, so you can look forward to that. But for now, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button and subscribe. See you again next time.